Okay, we've just come to this FGX and we've pulled out the door lock. That's just held in by one screw there. So we're going to make keys to this. So this is a 2000 and what is this one? August 2016 FGX. Really nice car. All keys lost. So that's the lock. Get into it. Okay, so we've got 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3. So the only one that was different was the last two cuts, which to me, that is correct. So let's send it to the machine. So it is sometimes a process of elimination. But when you've only got like two cuts that are only one apart each, you're pretty bang on. Not that you bang on. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. That's the truth of it. That's locked. That's locked. So just while that's cutting, might as well put the transponder in the blank, which I've got another one just sitting there. I'll just wait until that's gone. Alright, so before we go and cut, so I didn't actually put the transponder in this one, but what we need to do is just give this a bit of a buff. So we'll do that now, and what I like to do is actually just keep the lock picked. So I'll do this with two hands, doesn't really matter. And we will go and test that in the actual ignition. Beautiful. Both sides. Oh. We're out of power with that. Okay, so we're definitely going to need to put this on charge. Alright, that's cool, so I will just pause the video, cut the other key. Okay, car is running. Had to do the terminals on the battery, and we've got two keys now. So we'll just turn that off, give it a second. Headlights are on, turn that off. Door, lock, try the other key. There we have it, all done.